Ebusuya da so awa etifi mantam no emu Bongo mensene no na yedi ani HSC no arahosam a enche bia eto Bongo adehye no ene se DCE Joseph Abaah openie kanchine guye na ebusuya ne oman no aya mamre ne amane kwan sronko kra so a wode ekata openie echi
Enche bia ena arehosam efri Bongo mensenu emu ebaya na HSC Aban chipeni a owo awa importemu no ewo atifindu epoye mantamu Amanfo Joseph Abaah watona nanom ewo ensiedo na wotwe wieye ena mpanifo ya amamre ene amane ewko Bongo mensenu emu na wokope Amanfo yi krabre na eweyi yonase no NDC abamu mpanifo ena afenso eye NPP amanyoku ne mu mpanifo no nyina ehwe ye ka won hubomu na wodo ebo domu na wonom ekogja wonom ennuan na wokope no krabre na wo chese eyesa wonu Amanfo ya watona nanom ewo ensiedu oyobi a wasum yie pa ewo NDC amanyoku no emu na woka adadafo na wonom so hweye edi wo moja ekonye na woje NDC amanyoku no esi honom no na yade se wasum amanyoku no enukurem na afenso ahofama mu na wo chese wogefo bosome ne mu ne da etoso enso ena ebeto odwase no na ne hododo ne kakra na emum okọ eye Boga Regional Hospital no enya DSA wotimi ebe fie wotona nanom ewo ensie do sabre na eno nso beye arehosem pa ewo wo manyi emu ena nam sama NDC fo wonom nyina ekambo mu womo ene amanyoku nkaye ekambo mu a wonom ekoye na wokope wonom nwan omkope na chi krabre kra yesese onyankopon wonfa ne kra ensie ye na emum adofo emma abusuafo woyire NDC amanyoku a wobesomje no nso yese nyankopon se wobekekire abusua ne nyina ewe
the leadership of the party. We have our senior members still on the stage. The majority leader, they just came home this morning and said that he has to come because this is a blow to him and a blow to the meeting. So, as such, we have contributed something small in the first place to take care of the education of the children and the upkeep of the wife. The president has said in 20,000, that's 200 million old nurseries. The regional executive committee, 5,000, that's 50 million old nurseries. Honorable MPCs, his colleagues have brought in 70,000, that's 700 million. Then the Bongo NDC members in Bongo constituency have brought in 28,000, that's 280 million. Then 29 now. Okay, now it is 30,000. I think it continues. It will come more. So Bongo NDC has given 30,000 for now, 200 million to support his wife and children.